Hey, what's up guys? It's Gaming with Maya, and today we will be doing construction on our house and stuff. So if you don't want to watch all of the construction, then you can just skip on this video. So yeah. And right now we're gonna show Cole the laundry room that I did off camera. So, and then we have the barn, the shed, and the garden to do. So Cole will be doing the shed, and I will be doing the garden. So, yeah. And come on, Cole, let's go see the laundry room.
Let's make a shed. You didn't even introduce me. You just say, I'm here with Cole in the hall. And I'm like, hey guys, what's up? But you didn't introduce me this time.
Okay, well, I am here with ColeInTheHole.
Thank you.
I'm in the laundry. I'm on the 4th floor.
What the heck is this? I didn't realize it was out like that. That was weird.
Go! Get over.
Oh, gosh. Wait, where are you going?
I'm on the 4th floor.
Oh, we're
of the
both going in
laundry
there?
room.
Okay. Just wasted 2
Run,
arrows.
run. Alright, 4th floor. I'm waiting for you.
Alright. I have arrived.
Alright, so this is the laundry room. Sorry, my raincoat's on up there because I was just in the rain. And hey! Those are the washing machines. And then the armor stands are the dryers. And then every time you come to the laundry room, you must bring a pickaxe and break one of these hoppers, and you must put it in your room. And when you're done with that, you must put your armor in
This is
there.
what you do. See these dirty socks right here?
Yeah.
You take them? Oh, crap. Where'd they go? You take these dirty socks and you go. And then, boom, they're in the hopper. You throw them in there.
And then every
Let me throw
time.
them from a distance.
So are you gonna?
So, watch this. Oh, you watch them in there. Kobe.
Anyway, so I guess you won't bring a pickaxe, but we are just, if you don't feel like putting it on the armor stand, then you can just throw it in the hopper and let it dry there. So there are 2 dryers here, and there's 1 washing machine.
And then we still haven't figured out. What is this? To Cole from Maya? Is this the present? I didn't know it was in the attic.
Yeah, the attic is where we give each other presents, or do parties.
How do I get off of them? I want down.
Crouch. Are you gonna keep it? I guess kill it.
No, it depends. I'm gonna throw this at his face, and if he could take it, then I'll keep him. I guess I'm keeping him. Where did it go? My trident's gone. He absorbed it.
Well, anyway, do you need me to go get a lead?
No, I'm just gonna keep him there for a little bit.
Okay,
I'll be
well,
back. Are we going to build a shed?
make sure you feed him. Because we're gonna put them in the.
Here, come here.
We're gonna put the skeleton horses in the barn, or do you want to keep them?
There you go, buddy. Some fish.
And are we gonna put them in the barn, or are we gonna keep them where they already are?
Probably in the what? The horses and stuff?
Yeah,
Probably
in the barn.
Yeah, probably in the barn.
So let's do this in creative.
I have a better idea. Instead of making a shed, I'm gonna make the party room.
Oh, okay. And are we gonna still make the shed?
Yeah, we can still make a shed. But is that okay if I make it like a party room?
So we're both gonna do 2 things, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do the barn and the garden.
And then you can come up to me later on
my
during the video and check up on me.
Okay.
All right. Let's do this.
This is my chesty little girl, which is Skelly. What? Did you just do that?
Yeah.
Anyway, oh, guys, never hit a dolphin in Minecraft.
Yeah, they will eat you alive. What is this block here?
I was slain by a dolphin. Oh, that's just a random block. Anyway, so are we gonna like clear out the trees and stuff?
Just like for the area that you're building it at.
Hold on, let me put sea lanterns around.
Because whenever we build more stuff,
Let me put sea lanterns around here.
Alright, if you want to.
And then the garden will be back here. So there we go. And now I'm just gonna, this is where the garden's gonna be. So I'm just gonna clear out all this. Get out of here, Tommy. Anyway, let's get this. And guys, if you don't want to see this, then you can skip out of this and go somewhere else. So it's okay with me. So yeah.
Hey Maya, if you want, you can pause the video for a little bit, so they don't have to watch all the building. Like every couple minutes, you can go and do like checkups. So like you can pause it right now and then do a little bit and then go back. So like click on it, you can click pause.
Hi guys, I'm gonna pause it for a little bit. Sorry guys, I had to pause it real quick. So this is what I got so far. I got like some bridges draining at the drain, and I have this so far. And never jump on the crops. So I will come back to you in a little while. So yeah, and you might see me mess up because I'm gonna have my phone on charger because I need to work on this and I don't need my phone dying on me. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna pause it right now and I'll check. Sorry guys, I had to put my phone charger and it wasn't working. But you don't like the stuff that looks like a sand and it's like colored? It's actually concrete color.
Don't show them yet.
I just gotta finish this video. Oh, so hey guys, this is what the set for the barn. This is what I have so far. We got, let's see, we got wheat, carrots, potatoes, watermelon, carrots, wheat, and potatoes, and also wheat. So, and also, we got the barn so far, and I will give y'all a update tomorrow. So, yeah. And thanks for watching. Sorry if it was boring. If y'all can unlike, y'all can. If y'all want to unsubscribe, y'all can. But I just had to do this, and we were thinking about making a bunch of jokes and stuff. So, bye. Bye.